Welcome back. My name is Atisha Bhoir, lecturer from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today we will see the practical number 15 of mobile application development, that is, develop a program to implement a custom toast alert. So this is the exercise we need to make. Write a program to display the following toast message. So toast means a small message in the Android. Toast message means the small message in the Android which will be displayed for the short period of time to the user. So this is the output we need to make. When you click on the show toast button, then it will show you a message for you. You have got a mail. So we need to take a text view, that is hello world toast example. Second is the button. When you click on the button, then it will give you a toast message for you. You have got a mail. So this is the output we need to make. So for this, start a new project and then in the activity main.xml file, make this design hello world toast example. This is a text view. In the relative layout, I have taken a text view and the text is the hello world toast example. Size is the 20 dp, text color is a black, and margin left I have used, that is from here to here 20 dp distance is there. So this is the text view. Now next is the button. So button name is a show toast. So text is a show toast, margin top, from top 50 dp space is left, margin left is the 20 dp from the left side, and the background color of a button is a gray and the text color is a black, that is you can see here black color, and text style is the bold. So this is the design we need to make. When I click on the button show toast button, then it will show me a message like in the question. In the question you can see we need to make a message like this. Message for you, you have got a mail. So we need to make a design of message like this. So for it, we need to make a code in the main activity.java to perform an action on a button. So go to the main activity.java. Here, create an object of a button, that is button B1, and then assign a ID to the button, to the object of a button like this. B1 is equals to button, find view by ID. r.id.button is the ID of a button. So this ID is assigned to the B1 object. Now we need to perform an action on a button. So B1.set onClick listener, and in this onClick method is there. Now in this we need to perform a toast message, and that is not a simple toast message. You can see in the output user interface, the toast message should be show like this. Background color of toast message should be black. Foreground color of text is a white. So like this we need to make a toast message, not a simple. We need to animate it. So for it, create a object of a toast. Toast is the class. Second, toast is the object. And by creating toast dot make text get application context, and then here message for you /n is for the new line, and you have got a mail. So message for you, and then on the next line you have got a mail. So you can see in the design message for you, in the next line you have got a mail. So for this /n is used, and then length long. Don't use show here because we need to use the attributes, some attributes of a toast message. So you can see in the design that toast message is on the center side of the output. Every time when you use a simple toast message, it will be displayed on the bottom side of the screen. But here you can see toast message is on the center side. So for it we need to make a attributes. So for it, first of all take a class view. View is the class. Second view is the button. Toast dot will take a view text view. So we can use the attributes of a text view to the toast message. So for it, we use the view class, view is the object, and toast.getView. So we'll take a view, text view. Now text view, object of text view is the text, and view.findView by ID. So Android r.id.message. So this is the syntax. Here you can't take any other name. So compulsory we need to take ID of a text view is a message, and this message ID we have assigned to the object of a text view. Text view's object is the text. So this message we assign to the text. Okay. So by these two lines we take a view, that is text view. So that attributes of a text view we can use for the toast message. So that we can change the size of a toast message. We can change the gravity, that is position of a toast message, by using the text view. We can use the attributes of a text view to the toast message. So take a object of text view, that is text dot set text size we have assigned is 20. So you can see toast message size is a 20. This is the real output. So you can see toast message for you have got mail size is a 20. Now text size is a 20. Now text dot set text color is a white. So we have given the color as text color is a white. You can see text color is a white. So in the next, say toast dot set gravity. Here you need to take an object of a toast class. So that toast message will be in the center. So by using set gravity, center, gravity dot center, and offset you need to give. X coordinate is a 60, Y coordinate is a 100. So from the X position 60 space, and from the Y position 100. So 60 is the horizontal, 100 is the vertical from the center. So you can see here this message is on the center, and from 60 means from here to here horizontal space 60 is left, and from top side from here to here 100 space. So Y position is 100 and X position is a 60, and it is on the center. Now the next is set background color. So background color of toast message, you can see background color of toast message is a black. So by this attribute, take a object of a text view and give a background color, and then toast dot show. The method every time we use it here, show, but we need to give this all attributes, animate the text box toast message, and then here in the last dot show. So the message of toast will be shown on the screen. So these are all the attributes we need to use to design the toast message. So the attribute will be this and the output will be this. So when you click on the show toast button, it will show you a toast message like this. By using the attributes of a text view, we animate the toast, that is set text size, set text color, then set background color. These are all attributes of the text view. We use these attributes for the toast message. For that we need to create a view class and get a view, that is text view. So this is the program to show a toast message, to design the toast message. Okay. So in the next video we will see the practical number 16. Thank you.